Nice?
Really good.
Good job.
Guys, look at this. A spider. I don't know if it's dangerous or not, but this is it.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Welcome, Island family.
Wagwan, wagwan.
So today, guys, it's been a while.
Yeah.
Hasn't it? Yeah,
It's been
a
like
while.
1 week since we literally did a video. We did a video last weekend, which was camping, and this is the next week.
Yeah.
Next weekend.
The next weekend.
Yeah,
so we decided that because I work during the week, that would probably just, you know, do stuff on the weekends for now. So yeah, so we're going camping again.
Yeah, camping again. Second time.
Second time fail, or second time maybe
Better, because
Better.
I mean we understand how to
yeah.
fix up our tent now, so definitely we got the hang of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're looking forward to this new place. I've never been there, Babe's never been there, no one's ever been there. So yeah, and for everyone that commented last time about leaving Island in a tent, he was with family, so a lot of my family don't like to be on camera, or they refuse. So
because we didn't mention it, most of you guys thought that, you know,
we left him alone.
We left him alone, but no, that wasn't the case.
So anyway,
and today is the same again. So
So
expect that, you know.
Expect
Not
that.
everybody wanna be on camera, so
Alright guys, so stay tuned and we're ready to go. Ready to roll. Let's go,
we
baby.
on a roll now.
Yeah.
Let's go now.
I'm gonna overtake you. Hi guys, driving along the road. Cricket. Go Jamaica, go Jamaica.
Cricket, guys.
See, baby, you can come play cricket.
Yeah, I would love to. So we go in Woolly Road, guys. Woolly.
Continue on Woolly Road for
It's raining now, guys. We're almost there, but it's raining. Now we're here thinking if our tent is gonna be flooded out tonight. Oh my god.
Yep.
But this weather here is bipolar at the same time, so yeah, it might change. So guys, we're literally 2 minutes. Guys, we're literally 2 minutes away, and the rain is crazy right now. Yeah, and we're on some like dirt road right now, which is getting muddy because the rain is pouring. Yeah, we definitely ain't setting up no tent right now. That's for sure. Baby, you're driving, I swear.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah, let's see.
Let's see how we go.
So we're here now, guys. We are here.
Oh, the sea look rough.
Oh no, the ocean looks really rough. That means probably no fishing for me. Oh my god. So our number is 31. So we have to find our number, guys.
72. And then I want to go.
Seems like a smaller campsite, campground.
70, 71, 67, 66. Nice, they're kind of secretly ones, eh?
Yeah. Kind of like your sections. So kind of section off.
5, yeah, this is nice.
Yeah.
But, geez, the floor looks very. I'm gonna sleep on the floor like that.
Dealio.
Wow.
Nice boat, yeah.
59. On the other side.
We are the we.
3, 5.
No way. So this is not it. So it's probably around the other
Yeah.
section then.
Oh my god.
So guys, we're at the wrong site. That was from 53 to 72.
Inner north.
So we're gonna have to find. Come out back now. See if it's further down.
Closer to the water, I hope.
Yeah. Let's see.
Hey, Bobo Chaka Chaka.
We don't know where these roads lead to. Yeah, so this is the other one now, guys. The one we just been to was south. No, this is north.
9, 10, 11, 12. Out of the crowd. Oh no.
There's tents up here.
But they're not wet. Like our site's
Oh
going to be
my
wet. 23.
Yeah.
But down here, 24, 26.
Must be down this way.
27. Yeah, down here.
Way down at the end it seems.
30, 31 down there.
31.
Oh yeah, so we have
Why it looks opaque?
No,
Where are we?
down there, 31.
Oh.
We've got our own sort of like side. We're right
Oh.
in the ocean though, which is good. So we're gonna find a parking, guys.
That's what's up. Yep. Let's do this. It's still drizzling out there though.
Yeah. Ah.
Yeah guys, so see it? Fully load again.
Alright, Island, Mummy's coming. Alright, let's get this tent up before it rains again.
Yeah, the sky not looking good at all.
I know you hear that. But you see how the life fight. Or the other way I go fight.
Enough time I coulda lost in earth. Keep me head to the sky, bro. God, that we no want see no worse. Cause if I never faint, me woulda feel already. And if me fall a friend, me drop a jail already. Life hard, but it can't say me never fight. A 7-time fall, but a million me rise.
So this is a spot. This whole area is ours. Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, I like it more.
Yeah.
At least we have a camp. I mean a fire place. Yeah, and the ocean is just
You can
right
cook stuff
down
on
there.
it.
Yeah,
Good. Alright,
definitely.
awesome.
So I'm gonna try to set up this tent before the rain comes.
Yeah, let's go. We'll have to pump up the air in the car and drag them down. That's fine.
Yeah, it's,
Primitive style, you know?
I saw these ones.
Hi guys, so from the last time we went camping, we decided we're going to buy air mattresses now, so we did. I did have one at home, but you have to plug it in the wall and yeah, it does its thing. So this time we bought air mattresses, but we have the machine in the car, so we have to pump them up through the smoke
Yeah,
thing,
kind of
whatever,
thing.
yeah, and then it pumps up. So
Yeah.
here we go, I'm going to do it.
Yeah, and these, so we have 2 of them, guys, you know, so at least tonight we'll definitely have a better sleep.
Yes, we will.
And there's little Island. I don't think we have introduced him yet.
Yeah.
In this
Island,
song.
say hello.
Hello.
Say hi.
Say hi to your tribe.
Hi, Island tribe.
Why you looking like that? Huh?
Hmm?
Because you wanna do your own thing, huh?
Yeah, he wants to run amok.
Yeah, that's why.
Alrighty.
Alright. Alright guys, so let's see how this works. Okay. Not working? Oh, there it is. There we go. Yes, guys. Finally. Sleeping good tonight. Yeah, and this is ours, guys. Big one. Nice. Alright guys.
Hey guys, so we're down at the beach.
Yeah.
Our tent's just up there.
Just set up the tent and everything.
And yeah, we're just going and gonna have a swim.
Yeah guys.
Feel the water.
Up over there. And yeah, this is the beach guys. Beautiful reefy kind of section up there. Come along down here. It's pretty nice.
Bobo, say hi.
Island.
Say hi everyone.
Island.
He's looking at the ocean. He's like he wants to go. Aww.
And there's a guy doing like what you call it? Is it windsurfing? I believe, yeah. Yeah, so that's beautiful. So we're gonna have a dip.
And then I'm gonna cook.
Yeah.
We're gonna cook, and then Babe's probably gonna go have a fish like that guy over there.
Yeah. There's a few guys fishing.
Love you so much.
Look at that here. Hey boy. He's burning lots of energy. Hey. Where you going? You got it. Woo! I got you.
The water is absolutely beautiful.
Oh my god.
It's like guys.
Holy shit. I didn't even feel it. I went.
Oh shit! Right, shit!
Alright guys, so about to make the fire, you know, you see it. Just bought some firewood for $10. So yeah, let's get this all started. You see it. Yeah man. Fine branches already. And this guys, this is smell like kerosene, you see me, but you light it, just comes to life. Just put all the branches over that. Let it go and catch up. Small pieces first. amazing, you know. Night I come down and thing like that, so I try to prepare and get some to eat as well. So that is the whole vibe, guys.
That's the vibe, guys.
The, what you call it? Bonfire kind of thing.
Bonfire.
Set up.
Yeah.
Fish left on the fire. Yeah, that's what's up, guys.
Salmon, guys.
Set and ready.
And that water was beautiful. So we're cooking fish right now. Oh yes we are. And this is what it looks like. It's looking nice. And Babe's got the fire going for the sausages. So right now, oh my god, my hair is all over the shop. Okay, it doesn't matter. So I'm just finished putting the chicken skewers in. I am now chilling out, relaxing, having a drink. Babe's gone fishing. So I am just relaxing, guys, and enjoying this beautiful evening that we have. As you can hear the cicadas going, and hopefully we're gonna have a great sleep tonight. I feel like I need it. Anyway, yeah, let's do this, guys.
Alright guys, so I'm out here in the evening now. Alright guys, so I'm out here this evening. It's about to get dark. As you can see, the weather is not looking the best. But I'm gonna be throwing some line out here and see what I can catch. Alright, so yeah. I have my little thing here with my bait inside. A few prawns and some small fish bait. Yeah, so this is the prawns. Some baits, fish bait. Yeah, so using this rod, guys. Yeah, so let's see what I can catch. Hopefully I catch something this evening, guys, so stay tuned for that. All right, oh there. So it's all about patience now, guys. So let's wait and see what will happen. Something just stole my bait, guys. So seems like there's fish out there. Definitely. So I'm going back. It's getting chilly out here, guys. It's definitely getting so chilly. Now the waves be splashing even makes it more uncomfortable. So now guys, I'm going to be trying this, like a spoon lure it's called. Yeah, so I don't know if anything is gonna bite, but it's the first time actually trying one like this. So let's see if I will have any luck. All right. So as you guys can see, it's fully dark, you know. So still out here throwing my rod, not getting any bite really. I haven't caught any fish, but the rain is coming down, so I'm not gonna stay out here. You see it, so I'm gonna look what Babe cook up and thing, and go and chill for the rest of the night. You see it? Yeah man, so catch me up there.
So guys, Babe just came back from fishing.
Yeah, didn't have any luck, guys, but
yeah,
they are now about to eat some food.
Yeah.
So that's I gotta try it first on camera and then we eat after, you see.
So guys, Babe just came back from fishing.
Yeah, didn't have any luck, guys, but
yeah,
they are now about to eat some food.
yeah.
So that's I gotta try it first on camera and then we eat after, you see. What's this called again?
Chicken skewer.
Chicken skewer. That really tastes real good.
Nice, yeah.
Island?
Yeah, island. So there's chicken skewers, salmon,
Tastes nice.
salad, sausages, and potatoes.
Yeah, guys. We just have a dig into it.
Nice.
Really good.
Good job.
Yep.
Alright guys. Thumbs up for the food, eh? Alright.
Let's share this one now, guys. You know?
Alright.
Big up and respect.
Big up yourselves, guys.
Might catch you in the morning.
We'll catch you in the morning. Big up yourselves. Oh, that's bright. Catch yous all in the morning. Right, Island? Island, what do you say? Island?
Bubba.
Hi. Nah, he wants to film. What? Yeah, you mash up the place, boy.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Island family.
Good morning.
Oh my god.
Who's over there?
Right on my back, guys. It's a thing.
Yeah.
If it's not Island, it's him. Keep warm.
Yeah, man.
Oh, I slept so good.
Yeah. This time around, guys, I don't feel no back pain, no hip pain, nothing like that. This thing right here really does the job. Yeah, so camp life is much better this time, you see it? So
Yeah, for real.
we definitely test it out the first time and see what we needed, and it works now. So yeah.
Yeah.
So checkout time, it's crazy to think about it that you actually pay for campground. You see, it's like checkout time is at 10, so up in the morning I just wake up and about to make some banana fritters, you know, you see me? Banana fritters, you see me? So yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, man. The banana though may have them not too fully ripe as we don't use for banana fritters, but still it's gonna do its job, you see me? So yeah, and after that, you know, we chill until start packing up and things, you see me? So,
Oh man.
yes, sir. Yeah, man. So that's what's up, guys.
That's what's up, guys. Babe went fishing last night. You didn't tell him.
Yeah, I went fishing.
Oh, you did tell him. I can't
Yeah.
remember.
Something like that. I'm not even sure. But yeah, I didn't catch anything.
He didn't catch anything, but he came back all wet.
Yeah, so because the waves them did a slam. But yeah, that's how it goes. The water
That's how it goes.
is too wavy still, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. So, Bobo. That boy. Fully sleeping.
From Gaza.
Yeah, man.
In the Raza. Yeah, guys, so today. Yeah, guys, so today we're just going to pack up everything and then head back home. I do have a special trip for the following week, but I don't want to really share that yet, so we'll see what happens. And, you know, if it all comes together, then yeah. It's been a pleasure, guys. I know we haven't been putting out many vlogs every day or like every second day like we used to, because, you know, things change in life and work and all that sort of stuff. But once we find our ground and our feet again, we will definitely be uploading more often. Alright, so stay tuned as usual, because I know a lot of people like to watch our vlogs and our reality and our family, and yeah, so stay tuned. Blessings.
Blessings. Let's go now.
Let's go. Good morning. How are you? How are you this morning? Island. Island boy. Island. Island. Hi. Kiss everybody. Kiss.
He's in his morning mood.
He's in a mood, guys. Look at him. I'm in the mood. I'm in the mood.
Shirt. Can't touch this. Do 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 do
Do do do do
Can't touch this.
do 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 do. Oh what? Hello.
So as you guys can see, I'm just smashing up the banana. You know, so yeah, I'm using a plastic fork, which even makes it difficult to mash it out. But yeah, definitely get in there. As you guys can see, beautiful moon. Yeah, man. There's some bugs or fly here that's really annoying. See? That's it right there, guys. Super annoying. Don't know if they bite or what. There's some vanilla here, guys. Some salt. Some salt. Cinnamon powder, some sugar, that. So time to pour in some flour.
The babe's putting in the fritters, guys.
Yeah. You know, the hard man fritters, you know?
Mm-hmm.
That. Go and fry up slowly.
Let's walk on, people. Sun coming out. Still waking up, Papa. Yep.
These are the fritters, guys. Real Jamaican banana fritters, you know? All finished, all done. Guys, look what's here. What do you call it again? Goanna. Oh no. I don't trust this thing. It's gonna step in fire. Ashes right there. It's massive, guys. This one is different from the one that I saw at the time. Is it? Look at it, guys. I'm not getting too close to this thing. What the hell is that? And they grow much more bigger than this. Searching for food. That is creepy. That's like it's used as to find food, I guess. It's like tasting the grass or sniffing the grass. I don't know exactly. Explain to me, guys, what the tongue does. That is crazy. Why would I? Guys, look at this. A spider was all curled up in this.
It looks like a little huntsman.
I don't know if it's dangerous or not, but this is it. You can see. Look at that, guys. That is creepy looking, man. Sit right here, guys. Where is it now? It's somewhere wrapped up in here, guys. There it is. Here it is, guys. Right there.
Hey guys, this is the boat. Woohoo! Let's go. Oh, that's nice, guys. Go show everyone the stone. Show the rock, the rock. Look, come, show them. Come, look. Look at this one. Look here. Look, look, guys, all these stones. Wow, on the beach. Look how pretty. Wow. Just here this day, enjoying our last day at this campsite. I really enjoyed this beach. The water is absolutely warm, not even cold. Island is enjoying it. Yes, you can see his lip trembling, but he's actually enjoying the water. So I know also another thing I noticed was all the stones on the sand here are absolutely beautiful. A lot of people sell them. They come here and they buffer them up, shine them up, and then they sell them at the market. So some of them have some wonderful patterns on them, and it's amazing, guys, like the stones you see here. So yeah, we're enjoying our time, and it's amazing how these stones just, wow, some real pretty ones too. I'll show you some of them. These stones here, look, really pretty. And I've seen like a little clear one as well. Like come Island here, look, come. Like these ones, guys, and these ones. Some really beautiful rocks that not a lot of beaches have. Come Island, this way. Wow, guys. There you have it. Okay, he's Suki. Say something to everybody. Hi. Kisses. Where's the kisses? Mwah. Hey guys. Well, it is the end of our little journey.
Yeah.
Our little one weekend getaway.
Yeah.
So it was great. We had a good time.
Yeah, it was amazing. We just want to freshen out the ocean and thing and get freshen up again, and we're going to hit the road.
Hit the road, Jack. We're about an hour and a half away from home, so
yeah.
It's been beautiful. We absolutely loved it here.
Yeah.
We probably won't be back because there are so many other places to visit and see. So yeah, but anyway, for those who want a little bit more privacy, and also keep in mind there was no showers here.
Yeah, that's the difference with this one and the other one. This one don't have any shower, and yep.
So just bring your own.
Yeah.
Plenty of water to
yeah, man.
wash yourself.
Yeah. If we did have like a caravan, that would be good because we could load up our water tanks and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, that will happen
But
in the future.
it worked the way we worked
Yeah,
it, same
yeah.
way.
We're
Yeah.
not complaining.
We're not complaining. Yeah.
We're good.
But otherwise everything was great.
Yeah,
Yeah, food was good.
everything was
The place
good.
was good.
I
Peaceful,
Sleep
quiet.
so good last night.
Yeah, I slept really well too.
Yeah.
Really good.
Really good.
All right.
Yeah. What the hell is this thing? Look at that, guys. All type of bugs here.
That looks like a cockroach.
Is it?
Yeah. Anyways, guys,
Yeah.
we'll catch you on
Yeah,
the next
man.
one. Blessings.
guys for
Thank you for
watching.
being here.
Make sure to thumbs up the video, guys.
Yeah, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, man.
All right, so we are on a road now.
Let's go, let's go now.
Let's go, guys. Bye.